or a loved one suffer from poor cartwheel form? If so, you may be entitled to financial compensation. We have our first step, where we see our subject. He has his arms locked out close to his ears and the foot he feels most comfortable starting off with. For step 2, we have our subject who will be making a teetering motion with his body. While keeping a straight line, he's going to reach his hands down to the floor, and at last second, he's going to be rotating his shoulders before his hands make contact. It is important to note you should not drop your leg. So for step 3, I will be having our subject pause in the middle, that way we can go over body shape and form. Whenever you're ready. Okay, so we're paused here in the middle, we're in cartwheel form. Notice how the subject has his head tucked in, his arms locked out. All we're going to be doing is a nice shoulder rotation off to the side and dropping this leg down. Your final step is just putting all of these together, and then you should be having a better cartwheel than you started with.
And this is how you put all the steps together in order to do a proper cartwheel.
And we hope you learned something here today about how to do a cartwheel.